Let's explore digital bingo. Now you can use materials from multiple bingo products in the same game. First, select a bingo game you would like to play. Click Play Current Bingo Game to only use the targets in the product you have selected. This option is ideal for individual therapy or a group of students with similar goals. Click Play Multiple Bingo Games to choose targets from any Super Duper Bingo game. This option is ideal for a group of students with different goals. Next, add up to 6 players to play the game by clicking the plus sign. You may add the student's name and avatar by clicking the Edit button. Close out of the window when you are finished. If you are only using one bingo game, simply drag a target to a player or select a player and click a target. If you are playing with multiple bingo games, first select the bingo game in the top scroll, then select a target within that game in the bottom scroll. Select the next player before choosing the next target. In this menu, you will see a variety of options for your bingo game. Select Drag Chips to pause after a prompt is given and manually place chips on the board. Selecting this option allows students to interact with the game and allows for time to scan the board. Players must drag the chip onto the board before play continues. If Drag Chips is not selected, chips will be automatically placed on the board, and gameplay will move to the next turn without clicking. If Show Full Card is selected, the clue, picture, and answer will be shown on the calling card. If Click to Reveal Answer is selected, only the clue will be displayed initially. Click Hint to display the picture. Click Answer to display the picture and the answer. If playing with one player, select the turn counter to keep track of the amount of turns taken during the game. Try to win bingo in the least amount of turns. At the bottom of the menu, designate how you would like players to win. Click multiple boards to win in multiple ways. Click Next to start bingo. The free space will automatically populate on each board. Players take turns answering prompts and adding chips to their boards. Calling cards will appear automatically. Click the X to add a chip to the board and move to the next turn. How-to instructions and the feedback button can be found in the top right of the screen. The first player to fill the board as designated in the beginning of the game wins. If more than one player has bingo in the same round, every player who has bingo in that round wins. If playing solo, try to win bingo in the least amount of turns. End the game at any time by clicking the End Game button on the bottom of the screen. We hope this video has answered your questions about Super Duper's digital products. Please keep in mind that our customer support team is here if you need them. We encourage you to leave your feedback and visit the digital library often to discover new products and features. Thank you for being a Super Duper customer. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.